Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You should start by confirming you legitimately purchased the item and gathering proof. Bring the receipt, packing slip, or order email so staff can verify. Once done, make sure your payment method is available for cross-checking, for example, the card used or account order number. This prevents confusion and speeds the process. If you bought it as a gift, explain that and provide any transaction details you have so staff can match records quickly and confidently. Go directly to the retailer's customer service desk and calmly explain the tag is still attached despite purchase. Provide the proof you gathered and identify the purchase date and payment method. Staff are trained to remove security devices safely with designated tools. Asking them avoids damage to the item. If the tag came from a different retailer, they can often contact the original store or advise next steps. Stay cooperative and follow their. If frontline staff can't help, politely request a manager or escalate to the retailer's customer support via phone or chat. Explain the situation, show photos if needed, and request an authorized removal or replacement. If the tag caused damage, document it and ask about repair, exchange, or refund policies. As a last resort, contact your payment provider if the retailer refuses reasonable help. They can advise on disputes. Always choose legal, store-approved channels to avoid complications.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.